Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. Today I am going to cover how to automate keyboard and mouse events in Selenium by using this action chains class. Before watching this video, if you are new to the channel or yet you have not subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and also press bell icon. So let's start. So these action chains, this class, it is used to automate the low level interactions like mouse movement, mouse button actions, key press, context menu interactions. Means we can automate all the actions that are performed using keyboard and mouse by using this action chains class. Also we can perform the multiple actions like mouse hover, clicking on particular element or send keys. So these actions we can combine together by using this action chains class. So Selenium can chain multiple browser actions together, and this chaining of multiple actions is known as the action chains. So we can combine multiple actions together by using this action chains class. So these are the different methods are available in action chains class. These actions we can perform manually through keyboard and mouse. So like click, click and hold, context click, double click, drag and drop, key up, key down, then move to elements, scroll by amount, scroll by origin. So these are the methods that are included in this action chains class. So we'll see by practical. So these few lines of code I have already written. So here Chrome browser is open and I have given implicit wait of 7 seconds and window is maximized. So this is the application I am trying to open. I will show here. After opening this application, now I want to mouse over on this electronics and electrical, this tab, and then I want to click on this light bulb. Once click on the light bulb, then result for light bulb is displayed. I am validating this header. So let's see. So first we will find this electronics and electrical, these links. So this is by using this span text we can find. So its XPath is span text. By using this span tag and this text, I am finding this web element, electronics and electrical. So after opening browser, I will write element 1. For example, I am defining variable as element 1 for which stores this web element. So driver.find element by.xpath. So this is a element 1. Next, I will find the XPath for this light bulb is equals to submenu. Now we can see this is the XPath for this light bulb link. So for this light bulb link, after finding this electronics and electrical this link, following div with class as a submenu, it will highlight to open submenu panel. So this then anchor tag with light bulb. So this is the XPath for this light bulb. So I will write here element 2 is equals to driver dot find element by dot XPath. And this is a element 2. Okay. Now once I click on this light bulb, then here we'll validate this header h1 with text. So this is the XPath for this header light bulb. Okay, now I will write script header is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. So we have find the XPath. Okay, so this is electronics and electrical. This is a XPath for this element 1. Means XPath of this electronics and electrical link. Now we have to hover on this link, then only this light bulb, this link will be visible. So we have to do the mouse hover action. So for that we have to first import action chains class, and that is from selenium dot webdriver dot common dot action chains, and from that we can import action chains class. Okay, now here I have find this element. Now we can create the object of this action chain class. So ACT is equal to action chains, and here we have to pass the driver, because if we open this action chains class, then in its constructor we have to find the driver. Okay, so it is accepting driver parameter. Now by using this object ACT, we have to use this move to element methods. Now you can see in action class there are different methods like move to element, click, then send keys, click and hold, drag and drop, key down, key up. So all these are the different methods that are present in the action chains class. Out of that we have to use this move to element methods. Now ACT dot move to element. Okay, and after that we have to use this perform method, otherwise it will not perform operations. So now we are hovering on the on this link electronics and electrical. Now that light bulb, this link will be visible. Next step, we have to click on this light bulb link. Okay, so element 2 dot click, element dot click, and then this is the header. We will print header dot is displayed. We can take screenshot as well. After this, driver dot save screenshot, and here I will give name as header dot png. Header dot png. I will take one more screenshot after hovering on this electronics and electrical link. So after this ACT dot move to element and perform, I will take screenshot, driver dot save screenshot. Here I will give name as hover action. I have given name as a hover action.png. So this is my complete code. So what we have done here, we have opened these applications indiamart.com, and I have find the XPath for this electronics and electrical link. Then by using action chains class, I have created object of this action chains class by passing driver, and then by using move to element I am hovering on this electronics and electrical link. Then I am clicking on this light bulb link, and I am validating whether title is displayed or not, and taking screenshot. So this is a complete code. So let's execute and check. Here I am getting one error. Action move to element dot perform action change move to element missing one argument. Sorry, I have to pass here element 1. Okay, means on which element it should hover, that we have to mention. So missing here, yeah, I missed to pass this element 1, web element. So now I have passed. So let's check. Application is open. It is hover on the link and click on light bulb, and this is the result. So header is displayed. So it is so result is true for header. Now we will see by screenshot header.png and hover text, hover action. So this is a screenshot for hover actions, means on hovering on this electronics and electrical link, and for header. So this is a light bulb. So this is a screenshot. So like this way we can perform this move to element or hover action by using this action chains class. So other methods are also there in this action chains class. We can use it according to our requirement. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.